Transactional keywords and commercial keywords. In today's video, we will talk about these two types of keywords and how we can use transactional and commercial keywords for SEO. Or should we use these keywords or not? We will know all these things in today's video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. As I told you today, we are going to talk about two important keywords or types of keywords, transactional and commercial keywords. I have already talked about navigational keywords in my previous video. So basically, whatever keywords we are talking about, they are based on intent. Intent means thought. What our audience or our user thinks about doing any query. Based on this, we are dividing them into different categories. In navigational, we our audience knew that he has to go to a particular page or a particular website. So what did he type? He typed navigational keyword. If you want more information about navigational keyword, then you will get a videos link in the description box below. From there you can watch the video of navigational keyword complete. I have told you complete information and also told you some important tricks in that video, right? In today's video we are talking about intent. Based on intent, two more categories have been divided. One is transactional keyword and other is commercial keyword. First, let's talk about commercial keyword. Commercial keyword, as we know from the name, is related to commerce or business. Whenever a person is typing some keywords, we are clearly getting to know from that what is the intent and thought of that audience. It is commerce related, that is he is thinking about doing some purchase or looking for something that he wants to buy. Let's take an example of this and other example of this. Suppose there is a person types shoes for men online. If he is typing this keyword, then what are we getting to know? A user is querying what he wants. He wants shoes and shoes from the online site. So if there is an e-commerce website or there is any information on our web pages or website which is related to shoes, or there is any product that is related to the query of the audience, then we would like that person to see our page or our website. That's why we add a lot of commercial keywords in our focus keywords. In the same way, if a person is looking for something or he wants to buy a product or he is looking for a product, then he has a mindset to buy something. From this, we know that it is a commercial keyword which he is typing, and if it is related to our niche product or service, then we can take advantage of it. We can focus on that keyword and do our SEO according to that. Now it's the turn of the transactional keyword. What is the transactional keyword? Many people are confused that the transactional and commercial is almost the same, but there is a little bit different between them. Like a person wants to buy something in the commercial keyword. He wants to buy shoes, right? But he doesn't know which brand to buy and from where to buy. Now that person is just doing research. So it has become a commercial keyword in this sense, research or category. But if a person really wants to buy, he has the intention to buy a shoes right now in this search, then he will type the transactional keyword like this: buy Nike shoes online. Then we know his intention somewhere, that he wants to buy Nike shoes right now. So he wants to do a transaction too. So in this case, we will show our direct product to him, not our website. Viewers, understand carefully. Now I will tell you the difference between the two again. In commercial keyword, our audience wants to buy something, but he doesn't know what it is. He is doing research only. We don't know when he will buy, but he is a person who can be our buyer, client, or customer. And in transactional keyword, that person knows what to buy and when to buy, means right now. So, how will you identify the transactional keywords? Mostly these words are added in transaction keywords like buy, order, or book. Next part is how to use them. In a commercial keywords, we will target those pages where there are categories. Like if a person has typed men's shoes online, then we will rank all the men's shoes pages. But if a person searches buy Nike shoes online, then at that time we will rank that page where Nike shoes are there, and from where he can directly complete his transaction, which means he can buy that product. Conclusion is there that not a major difference, but there is a difference which can deeply affect your website or SEO. And by understanding that difference, you can make your keyword research even more better. So this was our example of keyword research. If you have learned anything new from this video viewers, then don't forget to like, subscribe or to the channel so that you don't miss any video. And from the description box you will get all the SEO videos links, so make sure you watch all the videos. It is a completely free course for you, so make sure you use it best. Thanks for watching viewers. That's all from today's video. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.